Hey everyone, my name is Nick. Welcome back to Cruise Info HQ. Are you planning your first cruise? Well, congratulations. You're about to embark on an unforgettable adventure. But before you set sail, there are a few rookie mistakes that could derail your entire experience. Today, I'm sharing the 7 things first-time cruisers should avoid to make sure your entire trip is smooth sailing from start to finish. Let's dive on in. It's tempting to want to pack for every possible scenario. Formal nights, pool days, excursions. But overpacking can lead to unnecessary stress. Remember, cabins on cruise ships are notoriously small, and storage space is limited. Stick to versatile clothing you can mix and match, and don't forget, most ships offer a laundry service if you really end up needing it. And remember, less is more when it comes to cruise packing. One of the worst mistakes a first-time cruiser can make is booking their flight to arrive on the same day as their cruise. If your flight is delayed, you could miss the ship entirely, and the cruise won't wait for you, or even give you your money back. Aim to fly in at least 1 day early. It's worth the peace of mind, and you can start your vacation relaxed, not rushed. Ports of call are one of the best parts of cruising, but showing up without a plan can lead to wasted time and missed opportunities. Research the must-see attractions, local restaurants, and transportation options before your trip. Some excursions sell out quickly, so booking in advance is always a good idea, especially for popular destinations. Be prepared, and your port days will be the highlight of your cruise. Buffets are convenient, but don't limit yourself to them. Most cruise ships offer amazing dining experiences in the main dining room or specialty restaurants. Many of these are included in your cruise fare, or well worth the small upcharge. From gourmet steaks to sushi, you'll miss out on some of the best meals if you're only in the buffet. Trust me, food is one of the highlights of cruising. Explore it all. Cruises may seem all-inclusive, but there are plenty of extras that can add up quickly. Things like drinks from the bar, specialty dining, Wi-Fi, gratuities, and specialty coffee drinks like lattes aren't always included in your fare. Create a budget for these add-ons ahead of time so there's no surprises when you settle your bill at the end of the trip. Also, don't forget to put your phone onto airplane mode. Roaming charges when you're at sea or even foreign ports are insane. Even if it's just to check one message, it's not worth it. I know for myself, if I turn my service back on after having it off for just a couple of days, I'm bound to be flooded with dozens of messages, and you don't want to end up paying for that. Save yourself the heart attack weeks after your cruise and plan ahead. It can be tempting to explore the ship as soon as you're on board, but don't forget to get your safety drill done first thing. It's mandatory for all passengers and must be completed before the ship can set sail. If you delay, you're not only holding yourself up, you could hold up the entire ship, and you don't want to be that person. Most cruise lines have now made the process super easy. You can usually complete it on the app in about 15 to 20 minutes, and then make a quick stop at your muster station, and you're good to go. By getting it done as soon as you're on board, you'll be able to fully relax and enjoy your vacation right away. It might be tempting to spend a lot of time in your cabin, especially if you've booked a balcony or a suite, but the real magic of cruising happens outside. There's so much more to enjoy other than just the ports you visit. From live shows to the pools, trivia games, and karaoke, there's always something exciting happening on board. You don't want to miss out. Make the most of your cruise by exploring everything the ship has to offer. These ships are massive, and almost all of them have something unique to discover. And there you have it. 7 things first-time cruisers should avoid to make your trip unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our cruise tips, hacks, or news. Have any tips of your own? Drop them in the comments down below. I'd love to hear them. And until next time, happy cruising.